here with another awesome unboxing. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Shirley with Holistic Transformations, also known as Jolly with Jolly's Healing Touch. This video is really super short, super quick, because I have to share this awesome Stitchy kindness that I got. So stay with us. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, then you are in for a treat. All right, let's just get into it. So I got my envelope the other day, checking the mail. Oh wait, so I'm looking at the wrong spot. So I check in the mail and I didn't order this. I see I got an envelope from StitchnButton. So before I open this package, I just want to let you know that I have a series of videos on cross-stitching and self-care, and then talked about a few gifts that we exchanged called Stitchy Kindness. So one of my favorite people to order from is StitchnButton, Vicky. She's awesome. So my sister, told me about, my sister EJ told me all about Vicky, and love her items on Etsy. And I opened my door, and by my door I had this envelope. I haven't ordered anything, some Young Living things, but I haven't ordered anything like, well, what is this? So I look at it and it's from StitchnButton. I got a gift. I'm super excited. So I'm not sure who the gift is from. Let me see how to open this. This is, they're really good at packaging your stuff. So let me open it. Let me get down to it. What is this? Oh my God. What a beautiful project bag. I will definitely post pictures. Oh man, what a beautiful project bag. Oh, and I like this too, so I can see what I'm looking at. Oh my God, this is great. A gift from your sister, EJ. Oh no, let me reread. A gift from a great sister, EJ. She is a great sister. But I'm so glad this is there. It's beautiful. Oh, I can write my project. I can write all of my project information. When you have many WIPs, works in progress, it's good to have these. So as you're looking through your WIPs and you want to pull out what you want to work on, it's great to have like really quick information on it right here. And also, oh, like that, it has start date, finish date. Oh, I like that too. This is great. And here's her card, StitchnButton. I will put her information in the description box below. She's the bomb. Her stuff is really cool. So if you're into stitching and you don't know her, check her out. Check her out. Whenever I order from Vicky, oh, let me show you this. I love this too. This is really pretty. Can you see this? This is so pretty. I like this a lot. Inspire. Oh, it says inspire. I love that. Inspire. So I love things like this. I talked about how I got into the hobby, not just because of the project bags and the cute little things that come with it, but they had a lot to do with it. So, this is my bag. I'm so excited. I love it. Thank you, EJ. Thank you. My beautiful project bag. My beautiful project bag. I'm super happy about it. Really excited. Isn't it beautiful? I love how the design matches the front, but it's different. So I'll have pics. I'll put pics so you can really have a nice look at it. And there's her little, can you see her little logo? StitchnButton. I don't know. I'll definitely put a picture of that too. Awesome. All right. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out our other unboxings, and I look forward to seeing our next video. Bye.